Salesforce automation, the definition. Salesforce automation is when parts of the sales process are automated by service software tools. The automation usually focuses on repetitive administrative tasks that, while important, can be time consuming for sales teams to perform. So, report suggests that on average, two-thirds of a sales representatives' time is spent on non-revenue generating tasks. So here we have to more focusing on the software tools to make the efforts of the sales representatives to become the revenue generating tasks by letting a scale, by letting a Salesforce automation software take care of these tasks. Sales representatives can spend their time on more productive parts of their job, that is the selling. We know the sales are directly related to the selling aspects of an organization, and the companies are always focusing more time to spend the productive selling that can really generate the revenues to the organization, and the major part is done by the sales representatives, and most of their time they spend on non revenue generating tasks. So here we have to focusing on to reduce the non-revenue generating tasks by the sales representatives by using the Salesforce automation software tools. That is the main objective of this chapter. Software will usually automate tasks based on certain inputs. For example, we can take the leads, marketing leads or sales leads can be sent follow-up emails based on a pre-designated template if they don't respond to an initial email after a certain number of days. So here we can consider the email platform. We send emails to our customers or prospects. When they are not responding to those emails, then we use our Salesforce directly to meet those customers. The Salesforce automation software can also include reporting and analytical tools. So here, based on the software, we can analyze the software, and this makes it easier for sales manager to see the metrics and such as the performance of sales team members or the predicted revenue over a certain time period. So it is very easy to forecast for the sales revenue as well as the Salesforce performance by using the Salesforce automation software. So the next topic is the need of Salesforce automation. Basically, we use the Salesforce automation is for allow the sales teams to focus on the most important tasks. By freeing up sales team members from administrative tasks, Salesforce automation tools allow representatives to spend more time on the activities more likely to result in sales. You can take an example: calling prospects, setting up meetings with prospects, or working on the marketing strategies. So these will allow them to make the more comfortable tasks which are directly related to the sales activities. So for this particular need, we can free up the sales people from administrative tasks which are not related to the Salesforce activities in your organization. So for example, if you take a LIC offices or else the banking sectors, they use the marketing people or Salesforce for administrative tasks, and they will give some documentation work to prepare and then submit before the time. So these are all the activities which really interrupt the Salesforce activities of these sales teams. That is the reason we don't give that particular task to those Salesforce. We simply give them only for sales related activities. So which is easily controllable by the SFS software. And the second one is streamline the sales process. So the most effective strategy is always used. So Salesforce automation can also make the sales process more efficient, and we know which can lead to a good sales. Team members may forget to send follow-up calls or emails. However, when set up correctly, Salesforce automation tools should not have this issue. So we are a human beings, so that we can leave, or we can forget to send the follow-up calls, or else the emails to important persons or important prospects. But the SFA never do that, because it is a software that automatically send a message or else a follow-up report to the salesperson, as well as the remember of the meeting with your prospect. So that is a major advantage of the Salesforce automation. And the third one is allow managers to get insight into the effectiveness of the sales process. For this, we have reporting and analysis tools that find in most Salesforce automation software, those in charge of sales teams to see what is working, and make adjustment to things that are really are not. This can lead to an overall far more effective sales strategy. So here the Salesforce automation software is not used to replace the sales department. Instead, that it can be an essential tool to complement the work of good sales teams, and help them implement effective strategies. So here we can use our own sales department that can establish, or it can be used as an essential tool to complement the work of good sales teams, and it really helps them to implement the strategies effectively. Now, what are the components of Salesforce automation? So first component is you can see it is activity tracking and alerts. So we know very well different Salesforce automation tools perform different tasks. As well, we have activity tracking. It allows sales teams to keep track of where they are with certain customers, and it ensures that they are taking the correct next step to build the good sales by linking CRMs to email clients or the calendars. Everyone will know exactly where each client is in the sales process. So that additionally, some Salesforce automation software will automatically alert the sales team of the next step they need to take. This may take, or they will always be taking the correct actions at the right time. So it ensuring the best chances of sales success. So for this reason, the activity tracking and alert is one of the key component in Salesforce automation. The second one is automate the sales process. Automate the sales process. In this automation, by parts of the sales process, businesses can keep the sales process moving without doing anything. For example, a business could set up an automation whereby a new email is sent after 2 days. If an email to a client is not opened, so alternatively, if the email is opened and an online form is filled out, the contents can be automatically added to a CRM software, and a sales representative has notified it, and they can they do, or they should contact the prospect. The other benefit of automating the sales process is that by creating a plan that maps out which step follows the previous one, and the sales manager always knows only the most effective actions are taken by representatives at each stage of the sales process. That is an important component. And the next one is manage the sales pipeline. Manage the sales pipeline. Business can reap the benefits of Salesforce automation when we are using it with the sales pipeline. The pipeline can be set up so the team members are altered whenever a prospect moves to the next step of the pipeline. So simplifying the process and ensuring everyone knows the next steps to take as soon as they have to take it. Additionally, by utilizing a sales uh, dynamic sales pipeline, metrics such as projected revenue and opportunity close rates will be automatically updated. So whenever a client is moving down the pipeline, so this means managers don't have to make reports manually and ensures they have all the tools they need to make plans. The next one is take the hustle out of scheduling appointment. So it is one of key component, because appointing the schedule and taking the appointment from your prospect is a very important aspect in selling process. And these schedules are linked with the software where they can choose an available time slot. So the software will remember you as well as your this one prospect. So it links with you the sales representative schedule, and it already known when the representative is free, and it means that there is no chance of double booking by the software. If you are using SFA, it will be an additional advantage to the sales representatives. Once the appointment or schedule is fixed, also it will be noted in software. So another person will take care of the new prospect. So it is very easy to access with all the representatives on time. The next one is automatically assign leads. So lead assignments, in simple words, it is possible to set up processes with SCRM so that automatically assign leads to the correct sales representative based on their metrics such as the industry, location, the size, or simply how they are busy with this schedule. So we can easily assign the leads. This will take the guesswork out of assigning leads, and reduces the workload for the managers as well as the sales representatives. And the next one is produce up-to-date reports. Produce for we can send up-to-date information like the sales reports and the other detailing. And then, for example, once you follow up a prospect, and due to the time factor or new appointment with new prospect, you may go to another place. So previously, whatever you done the work with your prospect, that will be assigned to another people. So that will be included in the software. And then if they close that sale, automatically it will be updated, and you can get whatever the previous work you done, and then it will be one of the most powerful hustle-free software that allows the sales force to attend and to attract the more number of prospects without any bias or without any duplication, or the same prospect will not be directed or will not be touched by two sales representatives. That is the advantage of this software. And focus on the right lead. So we can focusing on the correct leads is perhaps the most effective way of increasing our sales and the productivity. So we know very well, if a business knows what makes a good lead, it can set up sales automation software to automatically analyze a lead and decide how qualified it is based on metrics such as how many number of employees, industry, and the revenue. So by making it clear what is good lead, sales representatives can be sure to only focus their time on most qualified leads. So it is a very important aspect in the Salesforce automation, because these are all the important components which are basic components in Salesforce automation. And